Hello everyone and welcome to WritePlan. An important feature in WritePlan is the top-down algorithm. Right now I can only adjust the lowest cell in the hierarchy, so if I want to increase the total numbers by 10%, I would have to change every single cell. Increasing and decreasing numbers is much easier if we switch to the top-down algorithm. To do so, go into the Edit mode, find the WritePlan Settings tab and enable the Activate Top-Down Algorithm checkbox. If you prefer, you could also change the algorithm type from Sum to Average under the tab Calculation Strategy. Save the top-down algorithm changes and you can now edit every cell of the table. Every other cell will be changed equally to their previous distribution. Now I can easily increase the numbers by 10%.